Today, we talk about... You did this to my hair, Ikea. I'm going crazy. Woo! But not in all seriousness. This is pathetic. Very disappointed in you, Ikea. Did I receive your order? Sure. About 2 months after I ordered it. And as you can see, I'm putting up the shelves, but these should have been up a while ago, AKA before my housewarming party, which just passed. So, great job. This is over $2,000 worth of merchandise, which you just really dropped the ball on. You and your third-party delivery company. Extremely disappointing. I call, can't get you guys on the phone. There's no voicemail to leave a message. There's no callback number. There's no wait and we'll get back to you. It's just, we're too busy at this time. Call back some other time. Not acceptable. And then when I finally do get a hold of you, I'm trying to get a certificate of insurance figured out, but I can't get a hold of you guys. Lo and behold, it's not even you guys. I have to go through your third-party delivery company, which of course screwed up the first delivery. So there was that. Second delivery attempt. I called you guys back to figure everything out for the second delivery because I'm in and out of town all the time. I don't have time to be sitting around waiting for you guys. We coordinated everything for a second delivery attempt. You yourselves called the third-party delivery company and told them, and got back to me after keeping me on hold for a while and told me that they have confirmed the merchandise is in the warehouse ready to ship. See you then. That day comes. I get an automated message. The automated message says, be at home between 1 and 8 p.m. Your delivery is delayed. And so I sat around like a bitch, and 8 o'clock comes. 8 o'clock comes and goes. No delivery. And I've been sitting here all day doing nothing. I call XPO, the third-party delivery company, and I get put on hold for about 15 minutes. Why it takes that long to get an answer for why my delivery didn't come, I don't know. I hang up, I call back again. This guy, the second time, takes only a few minutes, but gets back to me and says, the delivery guy went to the warehouse, saw the merchandise wasn't there, and I guess no one bothered to update you. Thanks for making me sit around all day for that then. Thank you so much. So let's coordinate a new delivery date, shall we? Okay, well, the housewarming party is next week. Why don't we have it delivered on Thursday as opposed to Friday, the day of the party? You know what? That's the best you can do? Great. I call Wednesday to confirm. Yeah, we don't have you down for a delivery Thursday. I don't know who told you that. Awesome. So how about Friday? Sure. Granted, it's right at your housewarming party, and half of this merchandise was kind of required to put that housewarming party in a good space. But yeah, we'll deliver it sometime between 3 and 7 p.m. Can you do it like first thing? Because I kind of want to have some time to set it up for the party, perhaps. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Literally 8 p.m. all this ish arrived here. So thank you for that. Let's add on the fact that, some of these were cracked AF. And if all this wasn't enough, I am now in the midst of setting up my bed frame and the box of screws is missing. So now I gotta figure out what the hell to do with all this stuff because it's gonna take you one whole week to get me a bag of tools that I need. So that's great. Appreciate that. Really appreciate that, IKEA. You guys really stepped it up here. I have an entire bedroom on the other side of this TV that I'm spending God knows how much rent just for that amount of square footage, just to house all my shoes. And those shoes need shelves. So these shelves you see here were all bought to create that shoe gallery, that shoe room. And I know that sounds crazy, kooky, stupid, whatever. Bottom line is that's what I chose to do with my money and my time and my efforts. Up until you kind of put me through this fiasco. So I've been living here now since August and still don't have a shoe room, nor a bed frame to sleep on. I just have been sleeping on this mattress. So thank you, IKEA. You guys have been fantastic. I appreciate the gift card as compensation and the refund of $30 on my delivery fee. Because, of course, the first thing I'm thinking is I gotta shop at IKEA again. So once again, thank you, IKEA. It's been a wonderful experience, and I hope we've all learned something here. Peace.